Now I'm going to show you how to install Downloader on your device. I'm using the on device. So you go to the top, you need to go to search, but we're going to go to apps, scroll down to search. In here, just type in Downloader, okay. Click search, click OK. Now the first one is Downloader, is the real one, it's not fake. The real one is by AFT News. The rest of these ones here are all copycat, fake. They charge you money and stuff. So all these are fake. First one is the real one by FT News. Click on that to install it. Click on install. Give it a second or two to install. Okay, now it's installed. You can open it. And that's it. Now you have Downloader installed on your device. So if you go in here to the top where the search bar is, type in anything you want to install, to download, okay? So that's it, how to set up. That's it for how to set up and install Downloader on your device. Thank you, and see you next time on the next video. Also subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on any new videos come up with. Thank you. I'll see you soon.